Hello and welcome to the Subbu and Sree channel. In this channel, we are covering our house extension journey through different videos. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about our first challenge. It's a brick story. You might be thinking, bricks? Really? Yes, that was our first challenge and it was quite a challenge. Let me give you some background. If you have seen the previous videos, you might have noticed that ours is a brick-fronted house. We were looking to convert the garage and on the other side, extend the bay window area. So according to the council's rules, we have to use similar bricks, if not same bricks, to keep the character of the property on the road. When we signed the contract with the builder was going to source the bricks. So we did not look up on bricks or what type of bricks, etc. We were only researching on kitchens, bathrooms and tiles and all those sort of things. The building work started according to the plan by the end of June, and the first task was to lay the foundation for the front extension and the back extension. Everything was going smoothly. Week 2, the builder got a message from the bricklayer to say that he is available, and the builder was really pleased. Okay, I contacted a few bricklayers and they were all busy. And so when this bricklayer was available, he was quite pleased, and and we were also there when that message came, and he was quite happy, and he said everything is going to go by plan, and looks like we can finish the house work quickly. What a news! That's what we want to hear. Subbu said, okay, bricklayer is available. Are the bricks available on that date? And the builder said, yes, the bricks. I've already blocked the bricks with the supplier, and he's a known supplier. I buy everything from him, and I have shown the bricks, and he said it is available. I've asked about 5,000 bricks. So we left it there. This is now July sort of second week, and the next week the brickwork was about to start. So he started removing the old walls. And Subbu again asked, okay, I haven't seen the samples of the brick set. Can you please bring it? And he said, okay, I'll get it in the weekend and come. And on that week, on the Friday evening, he called about 8 o'clock in the evening. He called us, and we were wondering why. And he disclosed this news. Do you know what it is?